We've officially found a third state, something that exists between life and death. And it completely rewrites what we thought dying actually means. Because here's the strange truth. Some cells don't die when we do. Instead, they adapt, reorganize, and in certain cases, they quietly rebuild themselves. Scientists have discovered that certain cells, once removed from a dead organism and given the right environment, can take on an entirely new kind of life. In some cases, they organize themselves into living, mobile structures with unique behaviors and functions that never existed in the original body they came from. Researchers say this state isn't truly life, and it isn't truly death either. It's something genuinely in between, a mysterious biological third state. Consider one striking experiment. Skin cells taken from a deceased frog embryo were placed into a simple petri dish, then left alone to see what happened. There, with no instructions and no engineering, those cells spontaneously assembled themselves into tiny living organisms that scientists now call Xenobots. Unlike ordinary cells, these little structures could move entirely on their own, gliding around using hair-like projections called cilia to explore their surroundings. But it goes further. Xenobots can heal damage to themselves, and remarkably, they can even replicate, not by growing, but by pushing loose cells into copies of themselves. Then came the discovery that stopped researchers cold. Similar behavior appeared in human cells, specifically cells taken from the lining of the human lung. These formed structures called Anthrobots, small living blobs that could navigate their environment freely, each one built from a single cell covered in moving cilia. And here's the part that genuinely astonished scientists. When placed beside damaged nerve cells, the Anthrobots moved over and helped repair those injured neurons. Nobody programmed them to do this. Nobody engineered that behavior. The cells simply, spontaneously decided to heal what was broken nearby. Now let's stay grounded here. These biobots are created in carefully controlled lab conditions, and this doesn't mean your own cells stay conscious after death. But the implications are still profound. Imagine future medicines built from your own tissue, delivering drugs without triggering your immune system, or clearing blocked arteries from within. The researchers suggest something deeper too, that death itself may play an unexpected role in how life continues to transform over time. So here's my question for you. Does discovering a third state between life and death fascinate you, or does it unsettle you? Tell me honestly below. And if ideas that bend the boundaries of biology light up your curiosity the way they light up mine, subscribe, because the universe keeps getting stranger.